Hello science explorers, welcome to Density, your personal science lab. Let's see what happens when we mix two opposites, an acid and a base. This one's a chemistry classic. This is phenolphthalein. It is a pH indicator. Phenolphthalein stays colorless in acidic or neutral conditions and it turns pink in basic conditions. What do you think will happen when we add NaOH? Pause for a moment and make your guess. Let's just add one drop of sodium hydroxide, a strong base. Watch closely. Look at that. The solution turns pink. That's phenolphthalein reacting to the base. It only shows pink when pH goes above 7. So, this color change tells us the solution has turned basic. Now, let's see what happens by adding a drop of HCl. See the pink fading away? That's the acid neutralizing the base. When the pH drops to 7 again, phenolphthalein loses its color. Let's pause for a moment and open up the theory tab. This is where we connect what we see. This is a neutralization reaction. When an acid like hydrochloric acid HCl reacts with a base like sodium hydroxide NaOH, they form salt and water. That's why the solution becomes neutral again. Alright, let's get back to the experiment. This time we'll add 2 drops of base. Notice how the pink becomes even more intense. That's because the solution is becoming more basic. The more base we add, the higher the pH goes above 7, phenolphthalein responds with a stronger pink shade. Now, let's add some more acid. Notice how the pink starts to fade. Let's add another drop of acid. The acid we added neutralized the extra base. That means the pH dropped back towards 7 and phenolphthalein turned colorless again. That's a classic sign of neutralization. Acid and base cancelling each other out to form salt and water. So, what did we learn? It was like a battle between acid and base, and phenolphthalein helped us see who was winning. When it turned pink, the base was stronger. When it went clear, the acid neutralized it. Here's something to think about. What do you think would happen if we kept adding more and more base? Would the pink get darker or just stay the same? Drop your answer in the comments. You can try this exact experiment yourself by downloading the Dencity app. See you in the next one, and until then, stay curious and keep experimenting.